If you're paying a virtual assistant £2,000 a month, stop. Here are 5 AI tools that do the same job for £48. And one of them is completely free. The first tool replaces the most annoying part of a VA, scheduling. Type write client proposal, 2 hours, high priority, due Friday. Reclaim scans your calendar, finds the open slot, and blocks it. If a meeting lands on top of that block, it reschedules automatically. It also protects your habits, lunch, gym, deep work. No one can book over them. Price: the light plan is free. But starter, about £8 a month, is the one that actually replaces a VA. Tool 2 solves the meeting problem, and it's genuinely free. Fathom joins your Zoom call, transcribes every word, and here's the clever part. It highlights the exact moment your client said that's over budget. It tags action items, creates highlight clips, and auto-sends a summary to your Notion. Price: free. Unlimited recording. No seat limit. No catch. Tool 3 is the brain of your operation, and most people use it wrong. Don't just chat with it. Build a custom GPT. Feed it 3 of your best client emails, your brand voice doc, and your pricing sheet. Now it drafts proposals in your tone. It brainstorms campaign angles. It writes client comms that sound like you, or not like AI. Price: £16 a month. That's 1 hour of a VA's time, for an entire month of unlimited output. Tool for Connect Everything. This is where the VA replacement gets real. Here's a Reels app you can build in 6 minutes. When a type form entry comes in, create a Notion page, draft a reply in Gmail, and add the contact to your CRM. That's for manual steps a VA does every single time. Zapier runs it in 2 seconds. Price: about £16 a month on the starter plan. 750 tasks a month. The last tool lives inside your workspace and writes for you. Select your meeting notes. Types summarize action items and assign to team members. It pulls names, deadlines, and creates a task table in seconds. Or highlight a project database and type generate a client status update. It writes the whole thing. Price: about £8 a month. Notion AI is now built into the Plus plan. 5 tools. £48 a month. That's 98% less than a virtual assistant. But here's the thing most people miss: the tools don't make you money. The prompts do. Solo OS is 30 prompts that win clients, scope clean, and deliver in your voice. $29. Grab it at the link below. And subscribe for more AI tools that actually pay for themselves.